Hey guys, I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness. I got my man Rob with me today, and we are looking at the Stairmaster HIIT X. So guys, the HIIT X is one of the coolest pieces of fitness equipment that I've ever seen. We're gonna go over some of the features of it. So as you notice, of course, it's got a self-powered unit. It's got a 23-inch belt. You got better lateral stability when you're doing your workouts. So it's self-powered like a treadmill with the ability to do a sled push function built in, as well as a plate loaded option for a farmer's carry type variation. So we're gonna take my man Rob through a light little workout, see how he does.
All right, so I've just got on here. The resistance seems a little bit too strong because I'm barely walking uphill now. I'm having to actually push against it to get it to start going. So I'm gonna just grab this yellow lever here and bump it back just a smidge. Now we're at like 3.5, about 4. So my body weight is almost naturally pulling me backwards, but I'm actually pushing a little bit too. So I'm gonna take it a little bit closer to 3. Now we got like a comfortable uphill walk here. So once I get into this sled push, I actually want the intensity up, because if it was too light, I'd start running too fast and I'd fall on my face. So good intensity.
And you see that you've got multiple grips there, multiple options of handles. So you can change your hand grip. You can go up high, go inside the hand grip that you want for the sled push. So he's able to simulate that sled push, which is really cool. Great way to do your HIIT training. So the plate loaded farmer's carry option, Rob, go ahead and stand up. He can, of course, plate load and make that resistance where he needs it. Now, Rob, go ahead and step on and let's start a farmer's carry. Okay, and there you have your farmer's carry built into your tread piece combined with a sled push. So it's a very unique piece of equipment with a small footprint, can do multiple things. All right guys, so this is it. This is the Stairmaster HIIT X. Great piece of equipment for any gym facility. If you have any questions on this or anything else, feel free to reach out to us.